In this section, we will practice identifying those children with stridor, amongst several who have a simple cold or other respiratory noises. We will be assessing 4 children. Here is the first child. His name is Petty. Look and listen to his breathing. Does Petty have stridor? What did you decide? We heard a harsh noise when Petty was breathing in. Therefore, we decided that Petty does have stridor. Listen again. Here is the second child. Her name is Helen. Look and listen to her breathing. Does Helen have stridor? What did you decide? We heard a harsh noise when Helen was breathing in. Therefore, we decided that Helen does have stridor. Listen again. Here is the third child. His name is Simbu. Look and listen to his breathing. Does Simbu have stridor? We heard a wet noise when Simbu was breathing in and out. Therefore, we decided that Simbu did not have stridor, but a blocked nose. Listen again. Here is the fourth child. His name is Hassan. Look and listen to his breathing. Does Hassan have stridor or another sound? We heard a wheezing sound when breathing out. Therefore, we decided that Hassan did not have stridor. Stridor is a harsh sound on breathing in. This child has wheeze when breathing out. Listen again. That completes the exercises for assessing breathing rate, chest indrawing, and stridor.